Bonjour, welcome to the Culinary Companion, Velouté. Even the name sounds fancy, like something smooth and delicious. No? Velouté is one of those words that just rolls off the tongue, hinting at the luxurious texture and rich flavor it brings to any dish. It's a term that evokes images of fine dining and culinary artistry, but don't be fooled into thinking it's only for the pros. And truly, this classic French sauce, one of the 5 mother sauces, is just that. It's a cornerstone of French cuisine, a testament to the elegance and simplicity that defines the culinary traditions of France. The beauty of velouté lies in its versatility and its ability to elevate even the most humble ingredients into something extraordinary. Velouté, which means velvety in French, is all about simple elegance in cooking. It's a sauce that embodies the essence of French cooking, taking basic ingredients and transforming them into something sublime. The smooth, creamy texture of velouté is achieved through a careful balance of roux and stock, creating a sauce that is both rich and light. Don't let the mother sauce thing scare you. The term might sound intimidating, but it simply means that velouté is a foundational sauce from which many other sauces are derived. It's like the mother of all sauces, giving birth to a variety of delicious offspring. Once you master the basics of velouté, you'll find that the possibilities are endless. It might sound complicated, but making a velouté is easy, even for beginners. All you need is a bit of patience and a few simple ingredients. Start with a roux, which is just a mixture of flour and butter cooked together until it forms a paste. Then slowly whisk in your stock, whether it's chicken, fish, or vegetable, until you achieve that perfect silky consistency. This basic sauce made with just roux and stock is like a starting point for lots of other yummy sauces. From here, you can add different ingredients to create a variety of flavors. For example, add some cream and mushrooms to make a creamy mushroom sauce, or some lemon and capers for a tangy piccata sauce. The possibilities are truly endless. Think of velouté as a blank canvas, just waiting for you to make a flavor masterpiece. It's a versatile base that can be adapted to suit any dish, whether you're making a simple weeknight dinner or a fancy gourmet meal. With velouté, you have the power to transform ordinary ingredients into something truly special. With a few simple additions, you can make sauces that turn ordinary dishes into something amazing. Imagine a velouté-based sauce drizzled over roasted chicken, or a rich, creamy sauce served with fresh pasta. The possibilities are endless, and the results are always delicious. Velouté is a sauce that invites creativity and experimentation, allowing you to explore new flavors and techniques. So, let's explore the wonders of velouté together and see all the amazing things it can do. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook just starting out, velouté is a sauce that will inspire you to get creative in the kitchen. So grab your whisk, gather your ingredients, and let's dive into the world of velouté. The journey is sure to be delicious. Before we start our cooking adventure, let's get our ingredients for the velouté. This classic French sauce is one of the 5 mother sauces of French cuisine, and it's known for its smooth, velvety texture and rich flavor. It's a versatile sauce that can be used in a variety of dishes, from poultry to seafood and even vegetables. So, let's gather everything we need to make this delicious sauce. Don't worry, this mother sauce only needs a few things, each one important for its velvety texture and delicate flavor. The ingredients are simple, but their quality is crucial. Fresh, high-quality ingredients will make all the difference in the final taste of your velouté. First, we need a roux, the base of our velouté. A roux is a mixture of equal parts fat and flour, cooked together to form a paste. It's used to thicken sauces and soups, and it's the foundation of many classic French dishes. The key to a good roux is to cook it slowly, stirring constantly, until it reaches a light golden color. It's a simple mix of equal parts butter and flour, and it makes our sauce nice and thick. The butter adds richness and flavor, while the flour provides the thickening power. Together, they create a smooth, creamy base for our velouté. Next, we need stock, the heart of our velouté. The stock is what gives the sauce its depth of flavor. You can use chicken stock, fish stock, or veal stock, depending on the dish you're making. Each type of stock will give the sauce a different character. Chicken stock gives a light flavor, perfect for poultry dishes. It's made by simmering chicken bones and vegetables in water, creating a clear, flavorful broth. Fish stock adds a little sea taste, ideal for seafood dishes. It's made by simmering fish bones and vegetables, resulting in a delicate, aromatic broth. And veal stock makes a richer sauce, perfect for hearty dishes. It's made by simmering veal bones and vegetables, creating a deep, rich broth with a robust flavor. Salt and pepper our best seasoning friends, will make the flavors pop. A pinch of salt enhances the natural flavors of the ingredients, while freshly ground pepper adds a touch of heat and complexity. And that's it. Just these 4 simple ingredients will make a sauce that everyone will love. With a little patience and attention to detail, you'll have a velouté that's perfect for any dish. So let's get cooking and create something delicious. Now that our ingredients are ready, let's dive into the art of making a velouté sauce, a classic French sauce that forms the base for many dishes. We'll start by making our velouté base, which is both simple and incredibly versatile. It's fun and rewarding, turning simple ingredients into cooking magic that can elevate any meal. First, melt the butter in a pan over medium heat. Butter is the foundation of our roux, which will thicken the sauce. As the butter melts, you'll smell its sweet, nutty aroma filling the kitchen, a sign that it's ready for the next step. Once it's all melted, whisk in the flour to make our roux. The roux is crucial for giving the velouté its smooth texture. This step is important to ensure our sauce is smooth, not lumpy. The flour and butter should combine seamlessly. Keep whisking for a minute or 2 to get rid of the raw flour taste. This will also help the roux develop a slight golden color. Now slowly whisk in the warm stock, making sure it mixes smoothly with the roux. The stock should be added gradually to avoid lumps. Let the sauce simmer gently for about 20 minutes, stirring occasionally. This simmering process allows the flavors to meld together beautifully. This helps the flavors blend and the sauce thicken perfectly. By the end, you'll have a velvety, rich sauce that's ready to enhance any dish. Whether you're using it as a base for soups, stews, or as a sauce for meats and vegetables, this velouté will add a touch of elegance to your cooking. Garnish your dish with fresh herbs for an added layer of flavor and a beautiful presentation. Enjoy your culinary creation. Our basic velouté is ready, a blank canvas for a symphony of flavors. This is where you get to be creative. For a simple but elegant sauce, add a little cream to the velouté to make it silky. A squeeze of lemon juice adds a fresh touch. Fresh herbs like thyme, parsley or tarragon can go in while it simmers. For a bolder flavor, try a bay leaf or 2. A pinch of cayenne pepper or a dash of hot sauce adds a little heat, and a spoonful of Dijon mustard gives a nice tang. Remember, the key is to taste and adjust as you go, letting your taste buds guide you. Section 5. Velouté's perfect pairings. A culinary match made in heaven. Velouté is great because it's so versatile and makes so many dishes better. From easy weeknight dinners to fancy parties, velouté sauces are perfect for lots of meals. Imagine tender chicken breasts in a creamy lemon herb velouté, or flaky white fish with a light saffron velouté. Velouté sauces are also wonderful with vegetables, making them richer and more flavorful. Asparagus, green beans, even simple root vegetables become something special with a good velouté. And don't forget pasta. A simple velouté with Parmesan cheese and nutmeg makes a classic Alfredo sauce perfect for any pasta. Section 6. Beyond the basics, exploring velouté's versatile transformations. Velouté is delicious on its own, but it's even better as a base for other sauces. Just by changing the stock, you can create a whole new world of flavors. Chicken velouté can become a supreme sauce with cream and mushrooms. Fish velouté makes a classic Bercy sauce with white wine, shallots, and butter. And veal velouté, with its rich flavor, is the start of a decadent Allemande sauce, made with cream, egg yolks, and lemon juice. The possibilities are endless. Section 7. Mastering the mother sauce. Tips for velouté triumph. Making a perfect velouté, like anything in cooking, takes practice. But with a few tips, you'll be making smooth, flavorful sauces that will impress everyone. The key to a smooth velouté is the roux. Whisk constantly while adding the stock so you don't get lumps. Try different stocks to create unique flavors. And remember to taste as you go to get the seasoning just right. Don't worry if your first try isn't perfect. Practice makes perfect, so have fun and enjoy making a delicious velouté. Section 8. Velouté, a culinary adventure awaits. We've explored velouté, from its simple ingredients to its versatility. It's more than just a recipe, it's a cooking adventure. So get your ingredients, put on your apron, and start your own velouté journey. Experiment with flavors, try different pairings, and discover all the amazing things this mother sauce can do. Remember, cooking is about the journey, not just the finished dish. So relax, have fun, and let your creativity be your guide. In Section 9, a final word. Embrace the art of sauce making. In cooking, sauces are very important. They can turn simple dishes into something special, adding flavor and elegance. Velouté, with its velvety texture and subtle flavor, shows the power of sauces. It reminds us that even simple ingredients, when combined with care, can create something extraordinary. So embrace the art of sauce making, experiment, explore, and most importantly, have fun. Because in cooking, like in life, the simplest things often bring the most joy. Bon appétit, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell.